Welcome back to my session. This is Anamika here, and today I am back again with a new makeup look. As you guys already know, this is the Pride makeup series going on, and I'm here with this yellow eye makeup look. I'm absolutely loving this makeup look. You can see how wearable it looks. Like, usually people don't go for yellow eyeshadows, but just because I'm doing this series, I'm getting to play with lots of unique colors, and I'm absolutely loving this series. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section below, what you think about this series, because I am sure you guys are loving it so far. If you want to watch more such videos, then do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and even don't forget to give me a like. So yes, without wasting much time, now let's get into this tutorial. I'm done with my base and even the eyebrows. Now let's move on to the eyeshadow. I'm going to explain this part. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm taking Makeup Revolution Temi X Tropical Carnival palette. And I'm taking this yellow shade and running this on my crease area. I'll go with this on the back and forward motion and keep building up the color. Now as you can see, I'm happy with the color payoff. Let's move on to the other yellow shade from the same palette. And I'll be taking this yellow shimmery shade on the lids area. So that's it. Now I'm going to blend the outer V area. And now I'm going to dust off all the excess powder from my face. This was only to catch all the fallouts. Now let's remove this. Now let's smoke out the lower lash line with some black eyeshadow from the same Makeup Revolution palette. So guys, this was the yellow eye makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed watching all the videos from this Pride makeup series. If you haven't watched my previous videos, it's just right here. In this eye, there is a red eye makeup look, like red smoky eye makeup look, and then there is a orange cut crease, and this is the third one. So if you haven't watched, you can just go right there in this eye and watch it. And yes, one more thing I would like to tell you guys, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, like all in my social media handles, but especially on Instagram, because I am doing 100 days of makeup challenge over there, and I'm sure you guys are going to love all the looks over there. So do follow me there, and even subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. So that's it for this video. I'm going to see you with my next video tomorrow. Yes, you are right, I'm doing this series for every day, like 7 videos for 7 days, and there is +1, which is going to be a multi-color makeup look. So stay tuned for 8 total days, and if you haven't watched my previous video, I just said go back and watch it. So yes, that's it. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Bye.